Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view your story on Snapchat and see who viewed or screenshotted it. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat application on your phone. You'll be taken to the camera screen. That's the default Snapchat home screen. At the top left corner, tap on your profile icon to access your Snapchat profile page. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Under the My Story section, tap on your story to open it. Once your story is open, go to the bottom left corner and tap the eye icon. This shows you how many people have viewed your Snapchat story. You'll see a list of everyone who viewed your Snapchat story along with the total view count. You can also tap the screenshot icon beside the eye icon. This shows you how many people took a screenshot of your story and who specifically screenshotted it. This works for all the stories you post on Snapchat. You can check views and screenshots for each one individually. Keep in mind, other Snapchat friends can also see if you viewed or screenshotted their stories, so Snapchat story viewing is mutual. And that's how you view your story on Snapchat and check who's engaging with your content. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Snapchat tips and story tutorials. Thanks for watching.